So today we've been cleaning Altro Transflor Artis for the first time. So it's the first time we've actually got our hands on the product. It's very exciting. Build is an easy to clean surface, and certainly in our experience we found that to be true. We know how well our cleaning products work, and the dirt was really released a lot more easily from this surface than we've experienced on other transit flooring. Top tip for rail and bus operators looking to maintain their flooring is clean it often, obviously, to help release the dirt. Also pre-treat a floor with a pre-spray, as we have done today, and then mop out using clean water afterwards. That saves moving dirty water all around the compartment and even potentially between vehicles.